Assalamualaikum, Madam. Our group would like to present on our project entitled Automatic Pet Feeder by using Arduino. My name is Nik Sarah Helena binti Nia Arif and my student ID is EB20156. I will start off by introducing about our project. The three of us agreed to build an automatic pet feeder as our project by applying elements that have been learned from DEE 3941 course and also by using our knowledge and experience throughout the learning process. This DIY Arduino pet feeder is easy and interesting to build, which can automatically serve food to our pet. We were able to apply elements that we have learned before, such as the installation of LCD panel, to display the name of our project, a buzzer that serves as an alarm, and we also use some self-purchased components such as servo motor and ultrasonic sensor to explore more new knowledge. The main objectives of our microcontroller application project are to create application program for our automatic pet feeder that will release food by using the push button or ultrasonic sensor, construct interface electronic circuit to control the external devices, and also to apply appropriate techniques, resources, and modern engineering as well as IT tools to well-define engineering problems and awareness of the limitations. Now I will pass to Kujat to continue our presentation for today.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and my name is Tuanku Isbarat bin Tuan Fauzi, and my IT meeting number is EB200 and 74. So I will continue with the materials, the title of materials. So there is two component that we use, which is input component and output component. And the input component, there is three component that we use, which is a push button, ultrasonic sensor, and light dependent resistor. And for the output component, we use servo MG996R, LCD panel, LED RGB, and buzzer. So the push button function for this system is used to be pressed to release the pet food, and the ultrasonic sensor functioning is to detect the presence of or movement at the close range of a nearby pet with the pet feeder. And the LDR function is used to just for the decoration and to look the component very nice. So for the output component, the function for the servo is to rotate the container 360 degree to provide the pet food. So the LCD panel to display the name of our project, which is a pet feeder, and the LED RGB is used to signal the pet to about to come out of the container, which is the red RGB will turn on, and the buzzer is act as alarm to the pet when the food is being served. So we proceed with the component that we use, which is LCD panel, buzzer piezo, LED RGB, servo MG996R, ultrasonic sensor, LDR, and push button, and the main is Arduino Uno. So that's all. We can proceed with Mikael.
Alright, Assalamualaikum. My name is Putra Mikael Haikal. My number is EB20084. So I would like to proceed with the methodology of our report, or we call it as our project. So after uploading the code to the Arduino Uno, the name of our project will be displayed on the LCD panel. There are two options to release the pet food from its container. One is by pressing the push button. It will release the food pet, and we can press that button as much as we want to refill their food into the bowl. When the push button being pressed, the red RGB LED will light up for 2 seconds, as well as the buzzer will emit a sound, and also the servo motor will rotate to the container from its initial position to 360 degree, and after a delay again, it will return to its initial position. Therefore, servo motor is connected to the food container gate. So as it moves, the gate will open and some amount of pet falls into the bowl. After a delay, servo motor rotates again and close the gate. The whole process complete within a few seconds. This is how our pet get food automatically as we press the push button. The second option is by using the ultrasonic sensor that can detect the presence or movement at close range of any nearby pet or even the owner him or herself with the pet feeder. By placing our palm in front of the sensor, it will detect and the red RGB LED will light up for 2 seconds, as well as the buzzer will emit a sound indicating the pet food will be released from its container. As for the ADR, it would at night, where it will detect brightness and RGB LED intercourse color will light up for a long time. This made it easier for us to find the box at night and also to make our project more attractive. So that's all for methodology. Thank you.
So we can proceed with the coding and design that we design it in a Tinkercad web. So as you can see, we use a new system which is servo.h. As you can see, we use LCD panel which is have a title of liquid crystal LCD, and there is a new item which is echo pin and trigger pin, and servo pin, that is a new item. So as you can see, the void setup is LCD.begin 6/2, and the first item will start, and then my servo.right, which is for the servo to rotate 180 degree. So we use a void loop. First we set the set cursor for the LCD panel to display our cat feeder title, and then we can proceed with we use an analog read A3, which means we use a push button. Okay, that's all. As you can see, else if, which is if distance is less and equal to 10, the ultrasonic sensor will sense the movement, so it will make the servo to rotate 180 degree angle. Okay, that's all I think. So we can proceed with result.
Alright, so this is our result. They have a lot of stickers, and also we use a can, and also the a long can, a bowl, and polystyrene to make it more attractive. And I also put some stick around the polystyrene to make sure the cat like their pet food container. So this is our final report, and this is our final result. So that's all from me.
By the end of this report, we now know on how the pet feeder works. The whole idea of our project is to keep the pet food fresh every day and to prevent any food waste. Also, we can save our time, money, and energy. It works efficiently with minimizing any possible problems that could be occurs. The quantity of food may also depend upon your pet, whether it's a dog, cat, or bird. During the process of making this project to become a reality, we gain a lot of knowledge and experience to build such an impressive application program. That's all from our group. Thank you.
My knees when I'm begging, cause I don't wanna lose you.